Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I absolutely love having my own personal means of climate control with me at all times. And a great way to cool myself down is by means of this adorable little JISULIFE fan. When this fan is not in use, it folds up into this really compact little capsule. I can take it with me absolutely anywhere. I can put it in a jacket pocket, my purse. It is always there if I'm feeling overheated. When I open it up and turn it on, it has a very strong breeze that it creates. It has 2 speeds, and the first speed has this really nice, noticeable, gentle breeze, but the second speed really ramps it up a bit. If I'm feeling tired, a little bit unwell, or hormonal, I really like having this little fan with me since I tend to get a red and overheated face. I've lived my whole life in a place where we have a pretty cold climate, so on those very few days where we have high temperatures, my body is just not used to it. So that's another time that I love to have this little fan with me. As an added bonus to this really convenient little fan, it also comes with a built-in flashlight and a phone charger. This JISULIFE fan is one of my favorite purchases recently. I have used it so much since I bought it, and I love having it with me at all times. And that's my point of view.